Hello everyone, in this video we would like to take you to Socotra, Yemen. So please enjoy our first ever vlog of our time on this absolutely stunning paradise island.
So we just arrived in our room. Ours wasn't ready yet, but they were so friendly to give us a room to refresh us. As you can see, it has 2 beds, a TV, AC, and then this basic bathroom with shower, toilet, sink. It's pretty basic, but it's clean, and actually it's all you need for your stay.
So even though we arrived today, we still managed to do some sightseeing. This is Delisha beach. It's about an hour drive from Hadibo. In the sea, as you can see, there are a lot of puffer fishes. There are the ones that blow up if they feel threatened. They look really cute though. We just found these dead pufferfish on the beach. They have these beautiful sand dunes. If you don't mind climbing the sand dunes, you can get these wonderful sunset views afterwards. You can see a lot of goats on the island, and this one is admiring the sunset.
So we're now driving back to our hotel. So, well, that was our first day in Socotra. Really beautiful, very nice sunset. Absolutely stunning. Good morning everyone, this is our second day in Socotra. This is the view from outside our room. So this is our room here on the left. Please excuse us for the mess. We were really tired when we arrived. So we stopped on the road to see these bottle trees, which are actually blooming right now. So yeah, they're very beautiful with the backdrop of the sea. Very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Sarah agrees, it's absolutely stunning.
After 2 hours of drive, we are now at Ditwah Lagoon, which is at the west side of the island. And we walked a bit from the campsite to the shore, and we were all by ourselves.
So I found this stingray, which seems to be stuck because the water level went down with the tidal changes. Really cool. taking a boat right now to reach another beach called Shuab beach, if I'm not wrong. And we also hope to see some dolphins on the way. That would be really nice. So as you can see, we did see some dolphins, which were actually easiest to see with the drone. We should be reaching Shaub beach soon. I believe it's called like this. Look at this rock formation, they're absolutely stunning. Eh? So we are driving now to our camping location at the Diksam plateau, and we stop at these incense trees, which is quite interesting as well. This is the sunset from our camping location.
It's a new day, and today we are at the Diksam plateau. Dragonblatt trees everywhere. On our way, we stopped at a small oasis down in the canyon. There are more blooming bottle trees over here. The views are amazing.
That's cool.
So this is near our lunch spot for today, and as you can see, we are surrounded by magical dragonblatt trees. And the moment we start our lunch, the birds are right here to share the lunch with us.
by the road to take some videos of the bottle trees in the super black earth color. However, Hauke seems to be more busy making friends around the island. What is this?
My fingers.
These are some salt mines in the south of the island. I'll try to make some drone videos from these ones as well. We are staying one night in our room now, in the hotel in Hadibo, so we are able to reload our batteries for the drone mainly, and well, basically for the camera and so. This is the terrace in the hotel. And there's also a small little garden inside the hotel, which is quite nice. We're actually now going down for breakfast, so I'll show you that as well. This is the reception area of the Summerland hotel. And here we can get a nice breakfast before we go snorkeling today. We are now on the way to Homhil to see the infinity pool.
To reach the infinity pool, we have to walk for about half an hour. And we are arriving at Arher now.
I also managed to climb on one of the sand dunes, which is actually really tiring.
And now it's time to enjoy our really nice barbecue.
And for our last day we visit the Hawk Cave.
And this would be it for our week in Socotra. If you would like to know or see more, follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and let us know if you want to visit Socotra in the comments below. Thank you!